Hi everybody and welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media and marketing tips and tricks. I'm Amy Stack and today I'm going to be going over how to customize your YouTube channel URL. I have to give a big thank you to everybody out there because I'm doing this on my own account today because of you. There are a few stipulations you need to be aware of in order to set up this custom link. First of all, you have to have your channel art uploaded, which you can see I have on the top of my channel here. You also need to have a profile photo or icon loaded, and you can do those two things right away when you set up your account. The other two things you need to do is, one, have 100 subscribers, which I hit earlier, or I guess last week, so thank you guys all for subscribing. And for those of you who haven't, go ahead and hit subscribe now. The other final item you need to have completed before you can do this customization is to actually have your channel set up for at least 30 days. So today is my 30th day, so I am going to go in and do that update right now. So first thing you need to do is go over to your profile picture and click on it. And then you're going to find the settings button. Click on settings. Then over on the left-hand side, you'll see advanced settings. So you want to go into advanced settings here. And you can see right here, custom URL. It says I'm eligible now for a custom URL, so I can go ahead and claim it here. And we're going to cross our fingers that the one I want is available. Get a custom URL. Here's how it'll look on YouTube. So you can see right here, the social stack. It already suggested that for me. That is what I want, so that is perfect. And then you can select the option to see how you'll look on YouTube. So I can do the social stack, or I can have that and then some characters after it. I don't want to do that. I want to do the first one. I just want it to be simple. I want it to be easy for people to find me. So I'm just going to do youtube.com/C, so that's for channel. So you won't be able to change that first part, but everything after that second slash is what you'll be able to customize. So I'm going to go ahead and hit I've agreed and change that URL. And then it's going to give me the chance one more time to confirm before I update it. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm my update. I have now successfully changed my URL, so I should be able to, I'm going to open a new tab here, and we're going to test it out. I should be able to go just type in youtube.com. We have youtube.com/C/the social stack, and it worked. It brought me right to that channel, so you can see how that's a lot easier to put on business cards, flyers, put a link out somewhere to verbally tell somebody, and it's a lot prettier than the auto-generated YouTube one that's youtube.com/channel and then a bunch of random letters and numbers. So when you guys get your channels up to 100 subscribers and have the rest of the criteria met, now you know how you can go in and also update your custom URL. Thank you guys for coming to check out my channel, and remember to go ahead and hit like and subscribe to get future updates and learn when my new videos are out. I'll see you around. Have a great day.